Kapor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
Uwe Rangbah balatip kerteng kum uret mel dekhar uladu no el kajong kajeng im halin balak no maula Shah Dung Tari hau poli dekhar hayau pensing waya jer West Jand Hills District hak arpop trik jule aja apen rew hak por kompa khlai dunamen step balkum ko khubor balayo lom layo tho ba uniw lonor balaya bashen hadi jing ja Shah Dung Tari balkum joru ubrang kti ki dehi nakshnong madur West Jand Hills Hakadi jingja la yutho bakapor kumba kandash paman step upoli dekhar ulale ban pendem no ilade haki pulit ko mulong bit house bat katari ka bola plan kam hagane kam trim ki bor pulit ilale marmar skajaka balaja hagaba kilalap ya red mel ubalat ya leng katar pleng jing ki jong snam la yutho ru ba ulanat ubal khlat no namar jing saw ka majur ya ka bala bala da medical officer halor kan jingja la khot ru ya konuhun crime scene unit man pelong ya jing toket ke babania babalum ya sekhi satar nang ni jaka balaja hadian bala pinket ya kamet civil hospital yelong banle ek postmortem la Aiti no kham hadian ka tukan ni por si bahi yang asam ya kamet ban pendap ya jing liam khado ya kamet berangsa jong uni ulanon hagan ki juga sngi ka por kamba shibji steng no sngi pulit ka umulong ke le opriang saya ka ejar bala mudoi dagi bahi yang asam jong urit mel dekhar ya kabla pha shaw officer in charge ka Juwai police station nagbanta ban register case bat halor ka ni jingja ki pulit kilakam no ya upuli dekhar.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.